In this video, we're going to show you how to install the glass lift support on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located on the back window. Now on your back glass, you're going to have two of these lift supports, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. The process for this is the same for both sides. We're going to go ahead and use our pocket screwdriver, and we're going to start at the bottom side here. And there is a little metal retainer lock here. We're going to use our screwdriver, hop up in. You can go here or in through the top side here. And you just want to lift up on this retaining clip. Here we go. Now you can pop it off completely, or you can just get it so it's unlocked. And this is a ball and socket design. You can lift up. You can see the back glass wants to drop down. So you can just hold up that glass with one hand, come on over here, go up to the top, and you're going to do the same. You're going to go up underneath this metal retaining clip. Just pry that out and then pop that off like so. Super simple. Grab the other piston. You're going to line it up onto that ball and push it on. Snap it on. There you go. And then come on down to the bottom section here. Now, if the socket doesn't line up with the ball, you don't want to turn it counterclockwise because you're going to unscrew it. So you want to turn this clockwise. Get that position just right so it's facing down. And go ahead and push that on. Lock it into place. You can release the glass, give that a test. Repeat this for the other side, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.